In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find your wallet address on Weex. Your wallet address is essential for receiving crypto transactions, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Weex website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen to open the menu. From the profile menu, select the deposit option to view the deposit page. On the deposit page, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. For example, if you want to deposit USDT, first select USDT as the cryptocurrency. Then choose a network like TRC20. Here, you'll see your USDT wallet address associated with the TRC20 network. You can now use this address to send USDT from any centralized or decentralized wallet that supports the TRC20 network. After selecting the cryptocurrency and network, your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. You can copy it or scan the QR code for quick access. And that's it. Now you know how to find your wallet address on Weex. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.